So hi guys, today I will discuss about Terraform workflow. So there are like different stages. First is the init, then validate, then plan, then apply, then destroy. So what is init? What is Terraform init? So I have already prepared document for that. So this Terraform init command is used to initialize a working directory containing Terraform configuration files. So inside working directory where we have a code like that Terraform code, that code it will initialize. So whenever we are creating a file first time, that time we have to run this command Terraform init. So this is the first command that is used to be run after writing a new Terraform configuration or cloning existing one from version control. So once you will create new configuration file or you are taking cloning that code from version control system, then we have to run Terraform init. So this is the first command we have to run. So it is says to run this command multiple times. Why it's mentioning? Because suppose we have run this command and after like creating infrastructure again we are changing the configuration in same directory, like in same file, then we have to run again this command. Next is Terraform validate. So in validate, Terraform validate command validate the configuration file in a directory. So it will generally validate whether this is correct or not, whether it is in syntactically it's correct or not. Means once we will run Terraform validate command, it will check our syntax it's correct or not. Third one is Terraform plan. So it will create an execution plan. So in Terraform plan, we will able to see like what we are going to create. Suppose we are going to create VPC EC2 instance. So we have already written that configuration file for VPC EC2 instance. So using Terraform plan command, we will able to see what infrastructure we are going to create, what we are going to destroy. Those things like all update things we will able to see in Terraform plan. And next is Terraform apply. In Terraform apply, once we will run this Terraform apply, it will provision the infrastructure, like what we are going to create, that will create in cloud. And last one is Terraform destroy. So this command will destroy the infrastructure. So suppose we have created as I spoke earlier with example, I am going to create EC2 instance or VPC. So whatever we have created, if we want to delete those resource, we can delete using Terraform destroy. Thanks for watching.